Hello guys, I have a rental here in Sacramento. This is the house that I helped the owner. Did the evictions, we completed the eviction, we got the property back, and they still want to use our service to help them find a new tenant, better tenant. I'm gonna show you the inside. Let's go. Let's come inside. All right, as you can see, it's a little bit dirty, a little bit dusty. Because the contractor, they just finished doing all the painting and all the work, but we are gonna deep clean this whole house. So you wanna show you guys. Everything looked good. The paint is repainted. This is the kitchen, the new flooring. Last time the flooring was damaged, the owner did new flooring. Very nice, very nice. And then look at the kitchen. There's ovens, kitchens, brand new cooktop, countertop kitchens. It's actually really nice. Nicer than very good quality. Hot water, cold water, make sure everything's good, no leakings or anything. It's a little bonus room right here. It's a family room, living room, and here's the bedroom. Let's check it out. This is the master and the master restroom. Very nice. This is the new cabinets right here. New vanity, beautiful. It's another. This is the hallway restroom too. This is another restroom. New vanity. They redo the bathtub. Very nice, very nice. I like it how you see they put the backsplash all the way up here, so that way water splash or anything, it doesn't hit the drywall. I love it. All right, this is the second bedroom. All new paint, very professional paint. All right, this is the third bedroom. All right, smoke detector. They forgot to take this off. Let's take this off and make sure everything's working. Test it out. All right, awesome, beautiful. Okay. All right, guys, I think it's ready. Just need a deep clean, and we can start putting new tenants in here. And I'm gonna keep you updated how I advertise it, how I find the tenants. I'm gonna show you everything. Follow my channel and just subscribe, so that way you can learn. If you're the first time landlords, I'm gonna give you as much tip as possible. Thank you, see you there. Also guys, I do have a coaching course that I coach the first time landlords, the thing that you need to do to get your house ready before you put it on the market. I go over every detail, single detail in that course. So if you are interested, just click down the link below and sign up. Right now, I just go over some general stuff, but if you want to get serious, to do it right, just click down the link below, sign up for my course, and I will meet you there.